Hi, so in this video training, you are going to see how to open an account with Instamojo and how you can upload your product or service for selling on their e-commerce site. So click on this particular link given here, open a Google page. I've opened it incognito because I already have an Instamojo account. So it will take you to Instamojo, and all the first timers you have to go here and sign up. You can sign up using your Google account or your Facebook, or you can give a different email and a password. If you have a referral code, you can give it here. I've shared the referral ID there, so sign up as business. Okay, for example, I'll do one thing. I'll just give a dummy okay, sign up as a business. And it will take you on to their own onboarding. It will ask to verify your mobile number. You will be sent an OTP which you have to verify. And that's it. See, once you are done with it, it will take to your account, and see, this is how it will look like. You can name it, and on the left hand side you have the dashboard, payment links, payments, payouts, and lot of things. So what you can do is you can go to your online store and you can start uploading your product. So if you just click on the products section of your online store, see, you can go to add product. Now here, if it is a physical product, select this digital file, events, and others. Since this is a workshop, you can click on the workshop. Click on this and it will take you to a page like this, where like you have to add an image of the workshop. Say for example, I'm just, for the demo purpose, I'm just uploading this. You need to be ready with all the details and the cover image. So you can upload this image and give the title here, description here, whatever you prepared for your workshop, that description goes here. And yes, you can, if it's a fixed price, you can put it as fixed price. If you want to give discount, you can select this and say after discount it will be 85, let's assume. Or you can make it free or pay what you want. In case if you don't want to give discount, just click on this and it will be gone. 1 second. Deselect this and it will be gone. Now, how many tickets are available? You want to keep it unlimited, you can keep it unlimited, or else you can give a number here, say 50. Or you can decide what is the minimum and the maximum, and what type of an event is this. Is this a virtual event or in person? In case if it's virtual, give the Zoom or the Google Meet or whatever link you want to share with your customers. You can give that link here, the password to join. In case if there is any password that is applicable, the start date and the time, end date and time. You can select these things in case if you want reminder mails to be sent to your clients before the workshop or the event starts. Now you can give the categories here, and yeah, leave all these things. In case if you want to add a thank you note, you can just say thank you for purchasing with me or registering for this 5-day health boosting workshop, and you will be directed to this particular link here. Where do you want your clients to go? In my case, I have shared the WhatsApp groups link here, URL here, so that people can come and join this group. And save. That's it. So easy. You can get it done within no time. Now, in case if you want to um, create a digital file, say like ebook or digital art, you can click here and do the same. For example, all your services will be coming under other section, and you can create the payment link here. In case if you want to share it on your website or somewhere else, you can do it here, or else it will be available on the products sheet on your online store. One second. For example, if you just go to this particular product, click on this view store, and see, you will get the links to be shared with your social media. You can email it, or else you can copy it. So what you can do is you can copy the URL of this workshop and share it wherever you want. In case if you are displaying your service or product elsewhere on third-party e-commerce sites, online shops, your social media shops or social media, letters, emails, WhatsApp, wherever you want to share this URL, you can simply copy from here and paste it and share it. So it's very easy. That's all. You can customize your store in lot many ways, just like a website. You can go and do all these things. For example, my store looks like this. One second. Not settings. You can just play around to get familiarized with the various other features and things what you can do with Instamojo. Mainly it is used for, so this is how my site looks like. There is a small welcome message, latest products and about us. See all other products, and that's it. So you can share it anywhere. You can even share the link to your e-commerce site and link it on your website, or else you can use this as a temporary website. And in case if you want, you can even link a domain here, so that this particular e-commerce site, that is this online store, will be having your own domain, which means that it will act as an independent website for you, website or e-commerce site rather. So the one another advantage what you have is, see, you can put all your products in one place, whether it is physical products, events, workshops, online workshops, in-person workshops or events, your digital creations, everything can be put in this one place. So that is so simple to work with Instamojo. Only thing is that click on the link shared by me, so that I'll get a small percentage as affiliate commission in when you use that link.